All right, here we are at the start of the Andy Layne Trail, getting ready to do a 2-day backpack on the Appalachian Trail. There's John, the most experienced hiker amongst us.
Christy,
here's
going
me.
to the winery.
And here's Ashlyn, who's doing her first hike here, and this will be fun. We're doing 22 miles in 2 days. Hopefully we'll see you on the other side.
And Christy and I are going to the winery.
Right.
Sounds about right.
Ash leading the way. Got a little drop off over here. Here we have the first bridge on the Andy Layne Trail going across Catawba Creek. All right. There's the creek. Coming up on this private property that the trail runs through. Here's the second bridge on Catawba Creek here. It's pretty. It's pretty. Ash, did you see the rock wall down there on the creek? I like how this one sways a little bit when you walk on it. Here we are at about 2,500 feet. That's a big rock. That's a little person underneath a big rock. And one guy who's feeling older than he usually does. Make that two guys feeling older than they usually do.
This might be the best place to find the moss to see which way.
Yeah.
There's a lot on this thing.
We guessing north might be that direction.
We're kind of confused. Sun and the moss.
Yeah,
Moss,
yeah.
wow. Moss said a different thing.
And we have come up this trail, which was way down there at one point. And we got about another 1,000 feet to go. So here we go. We see our first white blaze. We have made it to the Appalachian Trail. We have done the first bit of our hike.
There's a shelter 0.6 miles away. And US Highway 220 is 10 miles away.
Let's go sure get. And then
Tinker Cliffs, there it is.
this says we go Tinker Cliff that way, half a mile. That's where we're going to be stopping for lunch.
I gotta stop.
Pretty neat.
All right, here we are on the AT, coming up on some cliffs up here that may or may not be part of Tinker Cliffs, which is where we're stopping for lunch. So we hope so anyway. All right, lead on, Ash. And Ashlyn just found a bracelet on the trail. Go figure. All right, we are coming up on Tinker Cliff. You can see if I look down here, there's some big rocks. We're looking down into the valley there. It's really pretty up here. No, I think there's a bigger.
Oh my gosh.
But look at this. We were in that valley not too long ago. Look at that. Is that pretty or what? Man. Alright.
This isn't Tinker's Cliff, I don't think.
That is beautiful.
This is worth the chicken right here.
That is gorgeous. Don't think, eh?
So pretty. Mom said she was jealous of that we would get to see the views.
Yeah. And this is Tinker Cliff. And look at this. That is McAfee Knob. The one right there. Straight ahead. That peak.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. This is unbelievable. Oh. Said Pat would be scared to death right now.
Like this. Too close to the edge.
This is walking along the ridge
Pretty scary.
right after Tinker Cliffs. Look at this. This is what happens if you go off the trail. So we're gonna watch where we're going for now. We're gonna be careful and watch where we're going for now. Staying on the edge? No. And Christy, Ashlyn is staying away from the edge.
Oh yeah.
We love you, Mom.
Here we're gonna lose Ashlyn in a cave here.
Can I go?
Yeah, you can go in there. If there's a bear, say hi.
Oh, hi.
Hey, much hanging on, holding that up.
I'm impressed.
Large rock held up by a little spot right there.
That's amazing.
Oh, scary.
All right. And here we find cool rock formation that Ashlyn's about to head up here.
There's like weird moss on this.
Pretty cool.
I'm your fearless leader, except for the snakes.
Okay, slightly afraid leader.
Another picture up.
And this is a very encouraging sight. We have come on the app trail to the first shelter that we have come across. I am documenting the fact that we have made it. All three of us. Hey, see, me, Ashlyn, John, all of us have made it alive to the first shelter. We're not sure if this is the one we're staying at, but we will find out momentarily.